Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a video on how to install the Hulk mod for Grand Theft Auto 4. This video is going to be on how to manually install the mod and not use the quick install, because for me and my brother the manual install using Open4 wouldn't work, or the non-manual install. So this is going to be a video on how to manually install it. So the first thing you need to do, if you don't have GTA 4 on Steam, you need to go to the program files of it. And the easiest way to do that is to right click on it, the shortcut you have in Open File Location. And that is, this folder here is where you need to go. And if you do have it on Steam, like I do, you need to browse your computer. So you want to go to the hard drive that it's installed on, and program files x86, Steam apps, common, and then Grand Theft Auto 4. Just, your default locations. And you want to go into this last folder. It says GTA 4. Now if you want to install it on the Liberty Cities, you would go back to your hard drive and you go to program files x86, Steam apps, common, Grand Theft Auto episodes from Liberty Cities, which is another folder completely separate from the other Grand Theft Auto. But I want to install it on the regular one, so I'm going into this folder. But if you do it on the episodes of Liberty Cities, you have to go into the EFLC. So this folder is where you'll be working with. But I'm going to do it on this one. So go into the GTA 4 folder, and now we're in here. So there's a couple things you need to download. I've already pulled them up and downloaded them. First thing is you need to download the Hulk script, which is on this page, which I'll include a link in the description. This download right here. The next thing you need is the model for the Hulk, which is on this page right here, this green download. I have ad block on, so there might be fake download links on these pages, but only click on the downloads that I'm showing you. And the last thing is the Open4 1.4 download here. This is how you install the this is the tool you use to install the non-manual version, but you also need it for the manual version, which works for me, but the non-manual version installation just kind of freezes. So you'd still need this even for the manual installation, is my point. Alright, now to actually install it, once you download all three of these things, you can just place them in a folder or something like I did. So I've placed them in this folder. You will see the model, the script, and then the setup for the Open4 program. So we'll go ahead and run the Open4 program. It's going to install, and while it's doing that, for the Hulk script, I'm going to right click and go to extract here, and I'm going to continue this installation over here. And then for the Hulk model, you also want to right click and go to extract here. And if you don't see extract here, it's because I have WinRAR, I believe, and just extract it the default Windows way. But anyways, you should get two folders here, the model and the script. And my Open4 is done downloading. This is Open4 right here, this kind of transparent window. So I'm going to leave it up there for now. The next step you need to do is on your Hulk script folder, go into it, and you'll see files for manual installation. You go in there and it will be a notepad folder or file saying download it here. You go in here and it's a link, which I'll also include in the description. So once you download that, it was this link right here, this green download, 1.19 MB. So once you got all that, you're set to go. So the first step will be to copy everything in there. So in the Hulk script folder, we're going to open that up, and it should say animation for manual installation. And it'll say parachute.wad. What you're going to have to do is, depending on which one you installed it on, the episodes of Liberty Cities or the Grand Theft Auto 4, you're going to have to go to the Open4 program and select that one. So I did Grand Theft Auto 4, I'm going to select that. then it wants your name. Just put my name. Then it wants your Grand Theft Auto 4 folder. So if you're not on Steam, you're going to have to look at this address you got from right-clicking and open and file location and follow that. If you're in Steam, just go to the hard drive that it's on. So I clicked on computer, the hard drive that I've got GTA saved on. Then I'm going to Program Files x86. Then I'm going to Steam. Then I'm going to Steam Apps. Then I'm going to Common. And then I'm going to Grand Theft Auto 4. And then Grand Theft Auto 4 folder. And then once you click on that Grand Theft Auto 4 folder, it will open up, but with it highlighted like that, just hit OK. And then it should say successfully seeing your exe right here and the version number. So right now I'm at 1.0.7.0. I click continue. And now I'll give it a second. And now we're in the folder in the open4.exe. So the first thing we're going to have to do is the animations. So where I saw this parachute.wad, we need to pay attention to that location. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on anim, as answer animations. Go in there, and then there's an anim.img. To edit this, we want to edit this, and to edit this, we double click on it. It'll give you this message saying you have to enable edit mode, close. And you'll see there's a lot of files in here already. So what we're going to do is we're going to click edit mode, and then just say yes, and then a green arrow should pop up right here. We can click this green arrow, navigate to where you saved the animation folder. I put it in the Hulk folder on my desktop, so I'm navigating back to Hulk script, or the animation for manual installation, and there it is, parachute.wad. So I'm opening that up, and now it is in the archive. So I'm going to click edit mode to leave edit mode. Now I'm out of edit mode, and I'm going to go file, close archive. Now we're done with the animations. So now what we need is the actual model. So you can see down here on the side there's where it says models. Click on that. Within that you should see something that says CDI images, or CD images. Click on that. Then you should see something that says componentpeds.img. Double click on that to open it. You get the same tip menu. See a lot of files should already be in here, and we click the edit mode again, say yes, and then the little plus arrow again. So click that plus arrow, and we don't need to use this file anymore. So we need to navigate back to our Hulk folder, or wherever you saved your downloads, and go into the folder that says Hulk Ped Model. This is the one you extracted. It says files for manual installation. Once you're in there, go in there, and there's 3 files: IG tuna, but with different extensions, .wdd, .wft, and .wtd. So we need to highlight all of those and hit open. And now they are in there. So we leave edit mode by clicking edit mode. Click on file and close archive. So now we got the hard part done. Next, what we need to do is we need to go into the download. The script told us to download the files for manual installation, where you downloaded them from this little notepad. So I've got them put right here. I'm going to extract them, extract here again. I'm going to go in there, and you should see a lot of files. Now I've already got mods installed, so I do not need everything in this. You may need everything, and in the case that you do need everything, just highlight it all and drag and drop. But since I've already got the first person mod installed, I don't need the dsounds or the script hook. So I'm going to control copy. But I do need the script hook.net.asi. So I'm going to select that by holding control, select scripts by holding control, and then I don't believe I need these, but I'm going to take them anyways for the later, and the earlier patches I should say. So that I've got all of those, I'm going to control C to copy them, or you can right click copy. And I'm going to go into the folder that we opened up when we first started, right click, paste. And now we have those Hulk required files in there. And if you don't have any mods, or if you just want to overwrite them, you can put the dsound and the script in there anyways. Okay, now everything should be ready to go. So I'm going to close it out, and you may need to file in the in this PC folder. So everything should be good, but if it's not working, you may want to try to go into PC, and then when you're in PC, it says data, and then it should say filelist.pack. Make a folder and back it up and just drag the filelist.pack in there. And I'll give you a link in the description, but on my first person mod video it also shows you what to download, and you have to place another filelist.pack in there, which allows the game to be modded. I don't think you'll need this, but you may, so if it's not working, this should be the first thing you try. To see exactly what to do here, just see the first person mod video I have on my channel. Okay. Alright, to get the mod, to play the mod, what you need to do is hit H for Hulk, and your screen should get black. And you can check the page, one of the pages are included in the description for all the keybinds. There's quite a few, so you can do a couple different things, like lock on to helicopters and stuff.